Hey, how's it going? Welcome to my studio. My name is Bmore from Baltimore, Maryland, and I'm here to introduce myself as a wire street artist. The reason why I chose wire, I guess, is because when I was younger, it was something as a material that was readily available. And aside from the utilitarian aspects of wire, there were a lot of things that I discovered that you could do artistically. And over the years, it just became a medium that was so ingrained in the identity of who I am that now I'm just obsessed. It's all I really do. So thank you for giving me the time, and I really hope that you have a good day. Peace.